Okay, Miss Martinez,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I'm here to put Daddy on child support.
That's his name, Daddy?
Well, that's what I call him.
Okay. Right. Oh, right. So how many children do you and... I'm sorry, I'm not going to refer to you as Daddy. Sir, what is your name?
My name is Dave.
Dave, Mr. Dave. You're putting Mr. Dave on child support.
Correct.
Okay. How many children do the two of you have?
We have one.
Okay.
She walks in with fire in her voice, ready to put Daddy on child support. No hesitation, no regret. Just cold facts says he cut her off, stopped caring, now dodging responsibility claims. He won't even cover $200 for health insurance. Judge listens closely, eyes narrow. She snaps. He wasn't complaining.
And what's the backstory? Like, was he not paying? I mean, what was going on?
Okay, so we met a while ago in my hometown. He actually works in a position where it allows him to travel a lot. He just so happened to be in my hometown, and we kind of met at a bar. We kind of had a few night stands, something like that. And we kind of got an arrangement to where he would basically provide me with about $1,000 a week. With a week? Yes, a week. So with my allowance, it allowed me to begin to do my position as a stylist. And when I told him I got pregnant, he cut me off. And now he doesn't want to.
Began as a casual fling, now erupts into a legal battle. She storms into court, eyes locked on justice. Ms. Martinez demanding support for her child. The man she once called Daddy sits stunned, clueless about the storm heading his way. The judge wastes no time, no smiles, no nonsense.
Care of our child. We already got a DNA test, and he knows it's his child. So I don't know what the problem is. So I'm here to put him on child support.
Okay, so you lost me at the $1,000 a week part. Was that for you only?
For me, he was kind of looking for something that allowed him to have pleasure and, have fun while he's in my hometown. And I was okay with that, because that's kind of what I wanted. I didn't want anything serious, like as far as, commitment and marriage and all that good stuff. So we decided to just have fun. And now he wants to cut me off because
Met in a bar, a spark a deal, $1,000 a week, no strings. Just late nights and quiet exits, but then the test turned pink and everything changed. The cash stopped, the calls ended. Now she stands in court. Not seeking payback, but seeking help. Not revenge, but responsibility.
we have a child together and he doesn't want to take care of him.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to address the $1,000 a week part because that has nothing to do with why we're here. I just want to know about the child support part. Is there a reason you haven't been giving her financial support for the child?
I never agreed to child support.
Okay.
I agreed to the fun part, and fun time's over.
So now that the fun time's over, the adult time begins, which is caring for the child.
I never agreed to have a child with her.
Okay, you probably didn't, but you guys were having fun and had a kid, right?
If Dave admits it, he never signed up for a child, just the thrill, just the nights, no future attached. But the judge cuts through that fast. Parenthood is not a choice once the baby arrives. His excuse falls flat.
He wasn't complaining when he was up in there.
Okay, so you guys had a child.
Well, there was no reason to complain, but yes, ma'am.
If we want to get into that, let's not start.
Yeah, please don't, because I don't think I have time for that today. I would have to, set aside some special time to hear all of this story. So we're just going to focus on the important part, okay? Now, the child, whether you agreed or signed up for child support, you have a child. You need to take care of that child financially.
Your Honor, I would like to say something. I don't want to make this personal aspersion on her character.
Just when it seems over, he stirs the storm again. Questions. The paternity throws doubt in the air, but the DNA test already spoke loud and clear. He is the father. The judge narrows her eyes, patience fading. Is this desperation or just another weak game?
How do I know that's my child?
Well, you already had a DNA test. It's been confirmed that you're the father. You forgot about that?
Evidently, it slipped my mind. Yes.
Oh, okay. You're probably having too much fun. But again, you have a child now, and you're going to pay child support. So let's get some information from you. How much do you make a year?
I make a good year up around 108.
108,000. Okay. And health insurance. Who carries the child on health insurance?
I
He
carry.
does.
Okay. And how many children do you have? besides this one?
He makes 6 figures, lives large, forgets he has a child, the judge. Brings him back to reality. Fun is over. It's father time now. The numbers drop one by one. Heavy, final, no escape. He shifts in his seat, face tight with shock. Can't believe what he sees. The monthly support hits hard.
I have 2 children.
2 children. Okay, so we can give you credit. Well, how old are your children?
They're not in the house. They're adults.
Okay. That wasn't my question. How old are your children?
How old?
Yes.
One's 30, one's 35.
30. Okay. So definitely none under the age of 18.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So let's do some math here. Looks like your gross comes out close to $9,000 a month. Your net is about $6,436.81. That gives you, giving you credit for health insurance. And you said how much was it?
He's been here before, 2 kids raised already, so why play dumb now? The judge does. The math, pens scratching numbers, building pressure rising. He shifts again. Avoiding eye contact, breathing heavy. Is he faking clueless or just dodging?
Health insurance I think it's around 200.
Okay. So I'll give you credit for the health insurance that you carry on the child. That will bring your child support obligation to $1,287 per month. And that's all he has to pay.
I'm okay with that. I mean, it's like a cut to me, but it's fine. I mean, I got my business. I can take care of my child, but I just didn't think it was fair for him not to have an obligation to our child.
I definitely agree with that.
The judgment lands. $12.87 each month. His jaw drops. Frozen, she stands tall. Says it's not about money. It's about justice. Fairness, truth. The judge nods slow, steady, final, but the air shifts. Something personal lingers beneath the surface. This isn't over?
He definitely has an obligation to the child in terms of what you all may have going on in fun times. That has nothing to do with me, and I can't do anything about that.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Yes, make it quick.
I have another life besides this life. I have 2 wonderful kids, a wife, and
Wait a minute.
I need to focus on that life.
Wait a
I don't
minute.
need to focus on this life.
Did you just say you were married?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just when the dust settles, he drops the bomb. Married, whole, wife, whole secret child. She knows nothing, the room freezes. Miss Martinez snaps. Done with games, done with silence. This isn't just child support, it's betrayal. The double life cracks. How long?
Does your wife know about this 1-year-old?
If this is televised, that might be a factor later on, but at this point, no.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
you were literally at my house yesterday.
Okay, well, you know what? You guys are not going to fight in front of me. So
Sorry.
what we're going to do is, do you have any more questions?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions pertaining to your child support? Not anything else. No fun time, nothing like that.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Truth explodes like shrapnel. He was there yesterday at her house in her space, lying to everyone, caught red-handed. No more excuses. The judge shuts it down. Slams the gavel. Done. Child support ordered. No escape. This wasn't about lies. This was about truth, choices, consequences, the cost of silence if this shook. You hit like, drop your thoughts, and subscribe, because in this courtroom, the truth always finds a way out, even in the end.